In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where you're not receiving emails on your iPhone. So if you're not receiving emails, the first thing we need to do is open up the settings application on your phone, and we're just going to turn on the airplane mode and then wait around 5 to 10 seconds, and then we're going to turn this option off. You also want to click on Wi-Fi and make sure you have a stable connection to the internet, and then you can go and check to see if you're receiving mail. If it's still not working, scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page and click on apps. Scroll down again until you see the mailing app and click on mail. Make sure mobile data is turned on next to allow mail to access, and then we're going to scroll to the top and click on mail accounts. Now from this window, you'll see all of the accounts currently connected to your iPhone. So the most common reason why this problem occurs is when you've changed your password to your email account and forgot to update it on your iPhone. So you can either select the account and update the password manually, or we can click on add account, select the type of account that you're trying to add, for example Google Mail, and then just go and add your Gmail from this window. Once you've done that, click on fetch new data and make sure fetch at the bottom here is set to automatically, and you also want to make sure push is turned on and enabled. Once you've done that, you can come back over to the main settings page, and we're going to scroll up and select notifications. Scroll down and you'll see a list of all of your applications, and from here click on the mail app. Make sure allow notifications is turned on and enabled, and then once again you can check to see if that's now solved your issue. If it's still not working, click on your iCloud name at the top of the settings page, select iCloud, and from this window make sure you're not running out of storage space on your iCloud account. If you don't have any storage space, this will be the reason why you're unable to accept mail on your iPhone, so you'll just need to go and upgrade your storage plan or go and save some space on your iPhone by deleting some files or photos. Also, where it says save to iCloud, click on see all, click on iCloud Mail, and make sure this is set up and enabled. Once you've followed all of these steps, you should now be receiving mail. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.